Enemy is a crucial element in 3D games to make your world feel alive and challenging. To create it. First, create a navigation region 3D. I added a platform as a child node of the navigation region. Now create a new navigation mesh. And also enable baked navigation mesh. Add a character body 3D. Add a mesh instance. And collision shape. Also add a navigation agent 3D. Now create a new capsule mesh. And add a capsule collision. Rename it enemy. And create a new script to the enemy. Now drag and drop the navigation agent. In physics process, apply gravity if not on the floor. And get the next path position using nav.getNextPathPosition. Also calculate the direction to the target and normalize it for consistent speed. Smoothly adjust velocity with move toward for responsive movement. Also use move and slide to apply the motion. Call this function and set a target position. The AI will follow the path to the target. I added a player scene as the target. Now create a group for the enemy. And add a script to the main scene. Now drag and drop the player to declare it as the target. It refers to the group name assigned to the enemy node. And this is the function name in the enemy script. It updates the target position that the enemy should follow. And this provides the target's current world position and sends it to the enemies. Now you have an AI enemy that follows the player. If you want to add walls or barriers to your platform, simply make them child nodes of the navigation region. And then clear the navigation, and click Bake Navigation again. Now, your enemy can find you while avoiding the walls.